or you can place 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rub them together, and then cup them and breathe it in deeply. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils and Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Holiday Joy Essential Oil Blend. You can fill your home with the inviting scent of Holiday Joy Essential Oil Blend because this provides a warm, sweet aroma of holiday joy and creates a welcoming environment for the holiday gatherings and can be diffused every day to purify the air and uplift the spirit. This proprietary blend combines wild orange, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove in a fresh and airy scent of Siberian and Douglas fir, creating an essential oil blend that's a doTERRA Christmas tradition. Diffusing holiday joy throughout your home will uplift your soul and warm the spirit as it fills each room with the joyful scent of Christmas. The top 2 common ways to use doTERRA's Holiday Joy is aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. This also comes in a 15 ml bottle and is limited time, so it just kind of depends on what the holiday offering is for that year. The main benefits of Holiday Joy are that it uplifts your mood, purifies the air and home, and gets you in the Christmas spirit. The directions for use are diffusing 6 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser, like the doTERRA Aroma Light Diffuser, or you can use the doTERRA Lumo Diffuser, or you can place 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rub them together, and then cup them and breathe it in deeply. Lastly, you can add 1 to 2 drops of this oil blend to homemade potpourri, scarves, coats, ugly sweaters, or shower walls for an amazing aroma. Well, that concludes today's video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.